Strange sounds emanating from Conklin, Alberta, Canada have caught the web by storm this month due to the release of several eerie YouTube videos that have left many internetarians scared and confused. These clips are generally depicting individuals gathered in or around the forested areas of Western Alberta's Banff National Park, listening to what some people may have described as the unearthly guttural cry of tormented banshees from beyond this celestial plane. The sounds seemingly radiate directly from the sky, beginning with a low, ominous hum gradually followed by an unearthly clatter of roars, moans, and howls. Many people have their theories on what may be causing these noises, such as YouTube user Daniel Sexual, who wrote, "It's Bigfoot," or user Mezunui, claiming the noises as fake and gay, and also user His Mail Service, who after seeing the clip said do not listen to the strange sounds videos. Not even briefly. It has been exposed as hideous mind control. The NWO/Alien Alliance is using discordant frequencies to manipulate the neurological centers at the base of the spine. The sounds cause the soul to be loosely attached, allowing for demonic infiltration and possession, as well as a hive mind type mind control. Of course, all of these opinions are equally astute and valid, but this vlogger believes that the spine-chilling banshee-like wailing sounds may not be caused by homosexual mind-controlling Yeti, but are actually extraterrestrial in nature. It just seems painfully obvious that the only logical cause of these noises is a 74-kilometer-long cylindrical probe sent back in time from the year 2286. Originally meant to communicate with Earth's humpback whales, this probe was caught in a temporal rift created by a team of future humans and their race against the clock to save Earth from imminent destruction presented by that very same probe. The temporal disruption threw the humpback probe 274 years into the past, to the alternate timeline of our 21st century Earth, where it will inevitably destroy us all. Naturally, when you look at the facts, there is no disputing this theory. All you need to do is dunk your head underwater while listening to the noises, and you will find they sound exactly like whale song.